Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now tap on Additional Settings, Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards and Settings. Over here, go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available themes. Ceramics click. Now you can pick a color, tap on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on and click Apply. You can do the same by clicking on one of the images. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!